This is the Plainfield Fire Department's physical ability test. First evolution is the equipment carry. There's 3 pieces of equipment: fire extinguisher, medical jump bag, and a bundle of hose. You start with carrying each one up the stairway. Once you get to the top of the stairway, you set it down at the landing. Come back down empty-handed and retrieve the next item. Each item has to be brought up one at a time. The order doesn't matter, and there's no running. Everybody has to walk. The equipment that's worn for this test is the turnout jacket, helmet, and fire gloves, and SCBA. Candidates can choose to either wear shorts or some kind of workout pant. Tennis shoes are allowed. Once the candidate sets down the last piece of equipment at the top of the stairway, he then comes down the stairway empty-handed, returns to the starting point. Once he gets to the starting point, he goes up and retrieves each item one at a time. And again, the order that the items are retrieved is up to the candidate. Breaks are allowed during the course of the test. However, the candidate has 13 minutes to complete the test, and any such breaks will be counted against him or her. Okay, he's returning the last piece of equipment. Next evolution he's going to be going to is the dummy drag. Dummy is a 175-pound rescue Randy who has to be dragged 50 feet to a cone. He needs to be around the cone, brought around the cone and brought back to the original cone. He can be pushed, pulled, or maneuvered in any way the candidate should desire, as long as he gets from point A to point B and back. You can see the firefighters dragging him around the cone. One of the best ways to accomplish this is to pick up Rescue Randy backwards and drag him backwards. Next evolution is the simulated forcible entry, which is performed in our Kaiser machine. Candidate hits the steel beam until the middle of the steel beam reaches the middle of the track. Next evolution is a ladder raise. Ladder is a 12-foot roof ladder. Candidate brings it to the wall, sets it up at the proper climb-in angle. Once the ladder is healed, the firefighter will go up the wall and touch the target, come back down, lower the ladder, and put it back to where they found it. You see here is the boxed outline here where the firefighter has to put the ladder. Next evolution is the hose pull, which is performed in our mini tower in the training center. You can see there's 100 feet of hose on a 2.5-inch nozzle. Hose is 2.5 inch. The candidate uses the rope, pulls the nozzle up to the top of the tower. It's all hand over hand. At no time can the candidate start to use his body leverage to pull it up over the railing. Once the nozzle's in, the firefighter continues to pull up the first 50 feet of 2.5-inch hose. Once they reach the coupling, the evolution is complete and they can put the hose down. This is a test of arm strength. That's why it has to be done hand over hand. Last evolution is going to be the hose drag. It's 150 feet of 1 3/4 line, fully charged. Firefighter has to pick up the nozzle and drag it 100 feet. Firefighter can put down the hose once he breaks the plane of the second cone. And the test is complete.